Go ahead. It's best for the bloopers.
Alright. So here guys, we got the car here, the hood's open, we're letting the engine ventilate. We're not at my friend Eric's house, we're actually at Danny's house. If you guys remember the Tacoma, we built that. I have 2 videos on there, check that shit out. So right now, I'm letting the engine cool like I said before, and I have everything here. I got my tuner, got my throttle body, got my intake, Craftsman tools, and this is a surprise for next video. But if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know exactly what this box is. But anyway, so we're about to get cracking, get this started, and we'll see you then. Move the battery thingy cover. Oh, dang. Great. Already.
Five, four, three, two.
Alright, that came off easy. Okay. There's a clip on that shit. I am befuddled. Where's the clip? You pushed in the red thing, didn't you?
No, I pulled it out.
Alright. The release on the back fitting. Basically what it's telling me is to figure the fuck out.
It's pretty self-explanatory.
This little thing right here. There we go. Oh, we definitely gonna need to take a halftime. It's hot as hell. Damn, I thought the body was clean looking.
Disconnect that. You have to disconnect that either way. Your pliers for that?
Huh?
You got pliers for that?
Yeah, my glove box.
Alright. Alright. Hold that motherfucker too, bro.
Yeah.
Look at man.
These gloves. Hold up. You got it? Oh, duh.
Not hot anymore.
It wasn't all the way in.
Yeah, it was still in there. I had to pull it up. There you go.
Makes sense. Alright, So most definitely need to take a break. It's too damn hot. Like my hands are almost pruny. I'm sweating inside the gloves. Got my gallon of water here. It'll take like a little 5-minute breather, then get right back to it. It's 96 degrees, but the heat index is over 100. I think it's 102 to 104. And you know, Florida, we're humid as hell, but there's like a dryness to this humidity. It's like a hybrid kind of heat. I can't even explain it. The wind is just blowing hot death. That's it. So I'm gonna take a little break. See you guys there. All right, so we're gonna go get throttle body cleaner at Advanced Auto. I completely forgot to pick that up before I got here, but we're gonna do that right now. And I got the get that shit good. Whoa. Work. All right, so I have the throttle body hole covered right now, so no more debris gets in and whatnot. And yeah.
Yo, can you put your seatbelt on?
All right, we're back, and the sun is back out. Got throttle body cleaner. Yeah, man.
God damn, bro, it's fucking hot.
Why they say remove this shit? I didn't hear anything about that.
You gotta remove that too?
I don't see why.
You have to?
No.
I think you might, dog. Oh, that? You go clean that?
Yeah. They give you so much. That smells like nail polish remover.
How you know that? What that smells?
I got a sister and a mother.
Yo, check if that shit's recorded, because it has a black screen. The red dot blinking.
Yeah, this man's recording. The screen turns off after a while. Got that on camera too. Fucking weird ass nigga. Yes, sir.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Alright, body's in there. And then now we're gonna install the heat shield. PMS intake are known to have like tight fitment issues, so you want to make sure everything is on the up and up. And I did lose my manual down here in my car. There's no way to get that without taking off the tire. Dang. It's been an update. See that? But the sheet I had the updated one on there. Okay, 90% sure it goes just like that. I'm gonna push this to put this to the side real quick. I have to steal a washer from someplace.
Exactly.
It's alright, trying to gain clearance to see word. Cause I really don't want to take the bumper off. Oh, okay, I see it now. I see it now. Alright. It's right here.
Oh, shit, man. I'm just doing that. You would have been like, the fridge is open, dude.
You can fuck my woman, but don't fuck my car. You see it? It's right here.
You
don't see the circular thing? See it? Look in the hole.
Oh, I see it.
I'll put it right over the hole.
Yeah, so what you want me to do?
Like, plot with me. How do you think I can squeeze it through the back end? So I can reach over it with my hand. Oh, you almost got it. Down. Best friend. Why would you do without him? You're my best friend. You look like a Spanish Mr. Benjamin right now. I appreciate it. There's not really instructions on it, but you gotta squeeze the little small head over the 90mm. Squeeze.
5, 4, 3, 2.
I'm pretty sure the paper had better instructions. Online it's not that thorough. But then again, I lost the paper, so I figured this shit out. Cut myself. So I'm using the extension. Alright, that's good. That's good.
Look, I thought that was hooked already.
No.
Oh, that's to hook the bracket. Now you're hooking.
Yeah, now I'm moving it over.
Isn't that supposed to be inside first? Oh. Here, let me try. I got small fingers, dude.
I got it.
Go.
Oh fuck.
What?
Oh, I should have did this beforehand.
Oh, shit, you're right.
I should have did it with the.
Yeah, bro. You can do it, though. Dude, look over it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Hold on, go around. Oh, there we go. Try that.
You still got the washer, right?
Yeah. How you gonna turn that shit, though?
Hold the washer. Slide the washer out. You have to do it the right way.
You gonna unscrew this?
Yeah. It's the only way I could think of, right? Yeah. Yep.
Son of a... You don't need that shit, bro. Here, another one. Fuck. You need that washer?
I said we're gonna do it the other way, and this nigga go, man, I got this.
Oh, it's so hard.
Alright. I fucked up and I broke this. So I'm trying to engineer something here, see if this will work. It might be a little shifty, but it'll just be held tight, hopefully. We'll see. Alright, so I gotta stop filming for a while to get down and dirty on it. The screw that I have here, it's a perfect mounting, it's a perfect brace for it. If you tear it up, get a screw. Secure. So now we're gonna slap on the filter. And
tune this bitch.
Alright, so I'm patient trying to look. I'm pretty sure I'm missing something. I think I figured what I had to do. It's not any instructions, trust me. They just say apply the plug. No clue. I'm telling you how to do it.
5, 4, 3, 2.
I think American Muscle had this on there. American Muscle. Either American Muscle or CJ Pony. And when they were installing it, they had this information. Because the installation kit is not step by step. It's phase by phase. This should go in there. Voila. Thank you. Should at least said that. Damn. Doesn't say anything about take off the That's so hard to say that. This is so hard to say. Take off the housing for this. Nope. That's too many words. Oh, man. You guys have no idea how fatigued I am. Whatever's in this thing is sucked up. You must understand, I am completely annoyed with this shit. Only thing I got right was the fitment. And that was it. Everything was a fucking pain in the ass. Alright. Time to load the tune. Double check everything's connected. Let's go. It says C manual.